If you're experiencing login errors on eBay, it could be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that caps lock is not on. Step 2. Reset your password. If you suspect that your password may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email and create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, accumulated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, and restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, particularly ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Try a different device or browser. If the issue persists, attempt to log in using a different device or web browser. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your current setup. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for further assistance.